1969. NASA puts a man on the moon, Woodstock goes down in music history, and Kawasaki manufactures the world's first industrial robot in Japan, the Unimate. Since then, they have vastly improved their product line using their diverse and robust manufacturing experience to produce industry-leading robots. Hi, this is Paul with Delta Technology. We are proud to officially announce our partnership with Kawasaki Robotics USA. With more than 50 years of experience in the robotics industry, we feel that they are a strong addition to our automation lineup. With a service-based approach, a flexible and open programming language, and a manufacturer-first mindset, Kawasaki is a different type of robot company. So in today's video, I would like to highlight their palletizing line, which consists of robots with 80 to 700 kilogram payload capacities. Kawasaki's CP series robots offer a compact footprint, extended vertical reach, energy savings, and rock-solid components, making them an excellent choice for your palletizing needs. For smaller end-of-line applications, the RD080N palletizer has an 80 kilogram payload and a unique 5-axis design for floor or ceiling mounting. Kawasaki palletizing robots help companies across the globe exceed production goals by boosting efficiency, addressing labor shortages, and increasing throughput. Whether you're handling small parcels or items that weigh hundreds of pounds, Kawasaki and Delta have you covered. Reach out to your team at Delta Technology and discover how automating your palletizing process will save you time, money, energy, and increase your productivity output substantially. Delta Technology. We are the people who make automation move.